Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewing tutorials and sewing patterns. And today I have a tutorial and a pattern for this cute top. The sewing process is pretty simple and doesn't take much time, so it's perfect for beginners. The link to the pattern, as always, will be in the description below, and for the first 20 people who want to purchase it, there's a 30% discount. So make sure to grab it early. And let's get into the tutorial. So for this top, we'll need stretchy fabric and a pattern, which you can download via the link in the video description. After printing the pattern, don't forget to measure the test square to make sure the scale is correct. It should measure 5 by 5 centimeters. Then cut away the excess where scissors are marked and tape all the pages together. So I've cut out all the pieces. You should have 4 cups pieces, 2 front bodice pieces, and 2 back bodice pieces. We also need to prepare a bias tape. You can either buy a ready-made one, or you can make it yourself from the same fabric. I cut strips 3.5 centimeters wide, 2 short ones for finishing the cups, and one about 1.5 meters long. So fold the strip in half and press it with an iron. Then fold the edges toward the center line you've just created and press again. Fold it in half once again and press. And repeat the same process for all the strips. Now take the 2 cups, place them wrong sides together, and insert them into the bias tape along the shorter edge, this edge. Like this. There are different ways to sew the binding. You can first stitch one edge, then fold it over and top stitch. But I prefer to put the cups inside the binding like this and secure all the layers with a single top stitch. I'll probably also baste it first to make sure the stitching comes out even on both sides. You can do the top stitch with a twin needle or with a single needle, but in that case you should slightly stretch the fabric so the stitching doesn't pop later. Take one front bodice piece and place it right side up. Then take the cups and lay them on top, matching all the notches. Cover with the second front bodice piece and stitch everything together in one seam. I'm gonna do this in an overlocker, but if you don't have one, you can use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. Now, open the top like this and place the back pieces on each side, right sides together. And stitch along the side seams. Turn the top right side out. And finish the bottom edge on an overlocker or with a zigzag stitch. Now fold it up by 1 centimeter and top stitch. And the final step is to sew this long bias tape along this edge, in the same way we attach it to the cups. I've basted the bias tape along the edge and I left the ties, which will be tied around the neck. Now I'm going to take it to the machine and stitch it down. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.